My name is Bradley Cockram. I'm Head of Sales here at Exact Precision based in Nottingham. Exact Precision specialise in many sectors of the area, such as construction, agriculture, pharmaceutical, aerospace and automotive. We manufacture from prototypes through to batch production, so that's from one-offs to unlimited amounts of parts. The Fractory platforms helped us with our competitiveness. We can internest parts, whereas before, if you had a big disc, there was a hole in there. Fractory platform would enable us to fit parts inside that disc, minimising waste and maximising the output, reducing costs and machine utilisation. Having the Fractory platform has benefited us through time. They send the correct files, whether it will be DXF, flat pattern, step files pre-modelled for us, so we can import them straight into our machines and generate time-saving tasks from them already pre-built for us. The problem that Fractory solves for ourselves as a business is the elimination of waste on current material usage. As mentioned previously, we can internest a wide range of parts of the same grade, the same thickness, and it helps just reduce that overall waste. I would recommend using Fractory because the majority of the legwork has already been done for you, from PDS to 3D models. This would enable you to put parts straight through to production. Using the Fractory platform for an external subcontractor, we are only limited to certain capabilities in-house. Using the Fractory platform broadens that knowledge of other industries that can help us. For example, of 4x2 laser cutting, we can send jobs to Fractory, they will export it across their team, and they will come back with a competitive price. Fractory platform's open to everybody. Whether you're a first start-out company like ourselves, or whether you've been trading 100 years. The orders that are available are ranging from £70 to £70,000. As long as you've got the capability to do the work, the platform's for everybody. The collaboration with Fractory started way back in my previous roles. I've dealt with numerous people at Fractory, Luke Mason being the #1 person that we dealt with before. We started trading with Fractory about 1.5 years ago. So we got in contact with Luke Mason at the start and just gave him a bit of brief background of what we do and how we can potentially help Fractory and vice versa. And then, yeah, we set up a meeting, we showed him exactly what we can do, and it's all started from there. The knowledge that each individual salesperson at Fractory has is second to none. They can spot mistakes that potentially I have made or somebody else may have made, anything on a drawing of hidden detail that they might question. It's just that extra safety check before that we was to send something out as a subcontractor. When Fractory first came to do the site visit, with us being a relatively new company, we tried to fit our process to suit many needs. A lot of the processes that we've got here are to suit for Fractory. Just from everything from the first off checks to general comments throughout the whole sector of each process. Everything started changing around Fractory when we started to see more of a demand with Fractory. In terms of cloud manufacturing as a Fractory, I can see everything moving towards that sector. You know, automotive companies have got robots now in place, and it's just going to be exactly the same with cloud manufacturing. Everything's just going to be on a cloud and available to multiple companies to take the pick of what jobs that they want, what they don't want. I think everything's going to be pushed towards a cloud manufacturing in the near future. The biggest wins from Fractory to us would be the vast knowledge that we share between us. It broadens a massive area of openness for subcontract level, especially for us with us not having equipment that other competitors have. We can rely on Fractory to solve them problems for us, and overall generally becoming very close friends with people at Fractory.